Alright, y'all see I'm back again with another video. You see what I'm doing. Check it out. See I got it all seasoned up and stuff. Yeah, buddy. Alright, you see what I'm getting ready to put it in. I'm ready to put it in the air fry, man. So I'm gonna air fry barbecue pork chops. So check it out. So that's what's coming up today, and some green beans. So you see I got some green beans in the pot today. So that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing today. So alright, y'all want to have a good flavor. Alright, stand by, I'll be right back. Alright, you see I'm back, and that's what I'm doing now. I'm putting a little olive oil on it, man. Yeah, you want that flavor. A little olive oil, that's all. You ain't gotta put a lot. That's all. Get it all on there. That's what I'm doing. Alright, y'all see what I'm doing. I'm taking it to the air fryer, man. I don't know if y'all never tried them, but yeah, it's pretty good. So, alright, hit the air fryer right there. Hit that start button. They're about 20 minutes because they ain't that thick. Flip them over every 10 minutes until they get done. Alright, I'll be right back with that end result. So stay tuned. Alright, y'all, I had to give y'all a quick peek. See what it looking like in there. Not bad, air fry. Yes, indeedy. Looking delicious. Alright, y'all. I'll be back in a minute. Yeah, y'all, they look delicious, don't you? Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little experiment on them today. Trying something different here, y'all. So, you see what I'm doing right here, right? Yeah, that's so they. You know that barbecue sauce delicious. I know y'all be trying something different. Y'all haven't tried it, y'all need to go check it out. The barbecue sauce is delicious. So, go ahead and spread this with the fork all over. Spread it with the fork all over. Smooth it, just take it smooth it like that. Go and get all over it, all the way to the ends. And said, yeah, sound a little terrible, but I got a cold, but you know how it is. Alright, y'all, so that's what I'm doing right now. Get about 5 more minutes, and I'll be back with the end result, so stand by. Alright, y'all, I'm back with the end result. Y'all see it? Yeah, look at it. Yeah, come on, you know it look delicious. Come on, tell me. Yes, it do. Yes, it look delicious, y'all. Check it out. Yes. Alright, y'all. Y'all know who it is. It's Mr. Mrlwood video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit all notifications, give me thumbs up on this video. I appreciate it. Help the algorithm. Okay, y'all have a nice day. Let's get back and watch them games. And I'm getting ready to eat this food. So you know what time it is. I'm out. Peace.